Welcome to the channel. Thank you for learning. Page 0. You need to memorize this table. Page 1. We will be working problem 5 to 10 in this video. Before we start working on the problems, let's review the rule how to plot an image of a point across the line y equal x. Okay, so here's the rule. Okay, so to plot an image point, let's say A. Okay, so here's what it is. So A has coordinates little a, little b. Okay, so we are going to plot the point A prime across y equal x, the line y equal x. So all we need to do is just switch these coordinates. So A prime will have the x coordinate B and y coordinates A. That's it. All right, so memorize that rule. We will do problem 5 and 6 at the same time. So problem 5, segment AB with endpoints A coordinate 0 and 0 and B coordinate 0 and negative 3.5. Problem 6, segment CD with endpoints C coordinate 1, negative 2 and D coordinates negative 4 and negative 1. Now problem number 5, and we are going to do 5 and 6. Okay, on the same coordinate plane. All right, so we have segment AB. Okay, and the end point of A is 0, 0 with the origin. Okay, so guess what? A prime will be what? 0, 0 as well, right? So you switch this 0 for that 0. Well, they all 0 anyway. And then B gonna be what? B is 0 and negative 3.5. 0, negative 3.5. The image B prime is gonna be what? Negative 3.5, 0. Okay. And number 6. All right. Segment CD with C, point C has a coordinates 1, comma, -2. Okay. So C prime is what? Parenthesis -2, comma 1. Close parenthesis. D has a coordinates -4, comma, -1. Then D prime gonna be what? -1, comma, -4. So now we are going to graph these points, okay? So here's our X and Y coordinates the plane. Okay. That's Y and that's X. Okay, so A and A prime gonna be right here. Oh well, let's draw the line X equal Y. Okay. All right, so this is the line X equal Y. Okay. I mean Y equal X, or X equal Y, same thing. All right. So our point A prime is here, and A, well, at the same place anyway. So A or A prime, same thing. Now B is 0 and -3.5. 0, right? -3.5. So 1, 2, 3. So B is right here. Okay, B is right here. So that's B. B prime, actually, if you want, you can draw like a perpendicular line through this, okay? But anyway, B prime will be -3.5, 0. So 1, 2, 3 right here. That is our B prime. So this is B prime. All right. Now, for problem 6, C is 1 and -2. Okay, so C is 1 and -2. So right here, that's C. Okay. Well, C prime gonna be what then? C prime gonna be -2 and 1. So 1, 2. That's our C prime. Okay. Now D gonna be -4 and -1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. -4, -1. So this is D. Okay, this is D. All right. D prime is gonna be what? -1, -4. -1, -4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, right here. All right. So this one is what? D prime. Now let's connect A and B. So actually A and B is this one right here. That is segment AB, right? Now, segment A prime B is this guy. Okay. Know what it is? Now, segment CD is this one. The segment CD. Oops. Segment CD. Okay, the segment CD. And then segment C prime D prime gonna be this one. All right, that's it. You're done. Problem 7. Okay, number 7. We are given triangle LMN. LMN. Okay. And we know L is 5, 3. 5, 3. So therefore, L prime will be what? 3, 5. Okay, 3, 5. M is 5 and negative 3. 5, negative 3. Then of course M prime gonna be negative 3, 5, 5. Okay. N is 0 and negative 3. 0, negative 3. Okay. Of course, N prime gonna be negative 3, 0. Okay. All right. Okay, that's it. Now we need to draw the coordinate plane and draw those figures. And I mean that figure, the triangle and the image of it. Okay. Which is triangle L prime, N prime, and N prime. Okay. So this is y-axis, this is the x-axis. Okay. So 5 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. So that's the L. Okay. M is 5 and negative 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3 down here. So that is M. Okay. N is 0 and negative 3. So I'm going to be 0, 1, 2, 3. So that is what? N. Okay, this is N. Well, then this is the right triangle looks like N, right? So this is the triangle, and we need to sketch its image across the line y equal x. Okay. And then the line y equal x is this one right here. Let's draw it. Okay. So this is the line. Yeah, so they line up. Okay. Okay. Oops, sorry. Let me erase that. Make it look nice. If you made a mistake, just if you do it in pencil, and when you make mistake, you can erase. Okay. So always do math in pencil. I know. I did that one in ink, but all right. So L prime is gonna be what? Well, it's across here. Like you can go. It's gonna be right here. So 3 and what? 3 and 5. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or if you can, if you can draw a perpendicular line to this, and they have the same distance. They have the same distance to the line y equal x. Come on, it's the mirror image, right? Okay. So this is my what? L prime, and of course, if I want to draw the line, but this one is a kind of far away, right? So I'm not going to do that. I'm going to use this. So negative 3 and 5, negative 3 and 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all the way up here. So this is the M prime. Okay. And this one, if I draw a perpendicular line, so it's going to be right here. Yeah. Well, you can use that to negative 3 and 0, see? Right? Okay. And then we just draw the triangle. Okay. And that is it. After we finish sketching this right triangle up here, we are done. There you have it. Problem 8. So number 8, we are given quadrilateral, four-sided figure, quadrilateral S T U V. Okay, and we are also given point S, negative 4, comma 6. Well, then guess what? S prime gonna be 6, comma negative 4. All right. T, point T is negative 1, 7. So negative 1, comma 7. So T prime is 7, comma negative 1. Okay, and then U is negative 1, negative 4. Negative 1, comma negative 4. So the image U prime is negative 4, comma negative 1. V is negative 4, comma negative 5. Then V prime, the image V prime is negative 5, comma negative 4. Okay, so now we sketch the figure. You know what? I am going to use 2 units for each square. Okay, because I can see the 7 here, you know, and all that -5, -4 there. So I don't want to draw a big figure. So I am going to use 2 units for a square. All right. So the figure will be a little smaller. Okay. So keep in mind, each square is not 1 unit but 2 unit. Okay. So let's do the original figure first. So s -4, 6. So -4 is right here, right? 6 up there. Okay, so this is s. Okay, t is what? -1 and 7. So -1, 7 is right in the. So that is t. All right. U is -1, -4, so -1, -4. So right here, that's U. Okay. V is -4, -5. So -4, -5. So right here. Oh, this one looks like a parallelogram. Okay, parallelogram. All right. So we're gonna connect the points to draw the parallelogram. All right. Now let's draw the line y = x. Okay. This is the line y = x. All right. Now s prime is 6, -4. So this 6, -4. So this is s prime. It go the other way. Yeah, that's right. So this s prime. Okay. T prime is 7 and -1. So 7's here, right? 2, 4, 6, 7 and -1. So it's right down here. And by the way, you want to check it out? It's supposed to be what? This line is supposed to be perpendicular to y = x. So this is T prime. And then U prime be -4, -1. -4, -1. So it's right here. Yeah. Right. U prime is, yeah, it's kind of, see, look, right? Look, right here, you want to check, yeah. So that's U prime. And then V prime is -5, -4, so -5, -4, so it's down here. That's V prime. Okay. Let's connect these dots, and you have the image of STUV. Okay. All right. Yeah, we finished. Okay, we're done. Problem number 9. Okay, number 9. Well, the rule says this, right? If point A has coordinates A, comma B, right? Then when we reflex it across the line y equal x, then A prime, which is the image of A, has the coordinates B, A. Okay. All right. Now, because A is the same as A prime, right? That's what the problem was. The same endpoints. So guess what? Because point A, coordinate AB, equal to, which is the same, the same point, the way it is, A prime, which has the coordinates BA, and of course, these coordinates have to be the same, right? So in this case, we have what? A equal B, or B equal A, kind of same thing there, right? So it tells us that the segment has to be on the line y equal x. So, okay, so that's it. All we need to do is just draw a figure on the line y equal x, and that's it. When you reflex it, it's gonna be still on y equal x on that line. Okay. So this is the y-x coordinate, and we have the line y equal x. Okay. And you can pick any segment, it doesn't matter, as long as it's on y equal x. Let's say if I put segment AB, and guess what? When I reflex A across this, it's gonna be on it. Okay. So there you have it. So the image and the figure are gonna be on the line y equal x. Okay. Okay, that's it. Problem 10. Number 10. So we are given the function f of x equal a. This is a constant function. Well, a constant function is a horizontal line. So it is a horizontal line. Okay. All right. Because this is a constant. So whatever x is, it just f of x will be a. All right. So it's a constant function which is a horizontal line. Okay. So let's say the x-axis down here. All right. So y and x, y, x, okay. And then let's say pick any a, because a is just a number, any number. Let's say right here, that's a, okay, or down here, or anywhere, it doesn't matter. Right here, that's a little a. The distance from here to here, from the origin to that point right there is a. So the function f of x is a horizontal line, okay. That is f of x. This one is f of x. All right. Now, the line y equal x is this one right here. That's the line y equal x. Okay, so look, if we pick this point and we draw across, perpendicular to y equal x, it's going to be this point. If you pick this point, it's going to be this point. If you pick this point, it's going to be this point. If you pick this point, it's going to be this point. You pick this point, it's going to be this point. So actually, it is a vertical. It is a vertical line. Okay. So this is the image. All right. This is the image. Okay. And of course, this will be a as well. Okay. All right. So the image of the function f of x equal a actually is the vertical line. The vertical line x equal a. X equal a. Okay. So this one is a vertical line. Okay. So that's it. That's the answer. All right, and we are done.